Hello guys and welcome to the vlog. As I told you, I'm gonna make a vlog on Holi. So we're just gonna walk and
I
we're
thought
gonna
you were taking camera.
camera I have taken.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I'll see if my battery dies. Then I'll
Sorry.
basically. Wow. So I'm gonna be recording everything that I see today. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Okay. See you. Bye bye. We are in a rickshaw right now and we are taking to go to I don't know, this day seems very exciting. It's Holi today, but if I'll show you, there is no sign of Holi at all. As if people have stopped celebrating
No,
Holi.
no. I think so. It happens early morning, most probably because it's already 3:02.
Actually, you can see some people are going with the Holi colors. Wait, I'll try to show. Okay, there is a Holi celebration going on.
It's just couples going around here and there.
Yeah, it's just a couple. If you see, the crowd is there.
And we're singers, so no only for us.
No Holi for us. Oh my god. Oh, whoa. Wait, Holi is going on there, dude.
Yeah, so these people are having bhang and shit.
Shit, man, I missed it. Okay, so never mind. We'll see, we'll see if something good we can do with this shit.
We can do good with shit. Yes, we can make a nice manure of that shit.
So we'll see around. भैया आपने सेलिब्रेट नहीं किया होली?
आपने होली नहीं मनाया भैया? क्यों?
गाड़ी चलाई थी होली बनाए
तो सुबह सुबह तो मनाना चाहिए था ना। गाड़ी तो रोज चलती है।
We should celebrate with him.
Holi, yeah.
We're gonna celebrate with him, guys. I mean, we're gonna put some colors. What do
You didn't even bring colors. Stop lying.
Oh yeah. भैया आपके पास कलर है क्या?
अबे वो फोटो ने बनाया नहीं, कलर कहाँ से हुआ है? She is like completely lost it.
I have lost it, man.
See, I'm wearing such a colorful outfit. She's wearing completely
I,
white.
I have no colors. I'm so sorry. Guilty.
No,
Guilty trip.
Usually you're supposed to wear something like this only, but I barely had any outfit in white. So I'm just confused.
It's fine. It's fine.
It's you, babe. Okay, first we need to buy a nice heels for me because my previous.
You gotta be kidding me for real.
Oh my god, these are enjoying so much. I'm so
I just feel so left out at this point. Every human being here is just going into some color and shit, man. Okay, so we have come in this station, Kandivali. Let's go, Rani. Let's go. What happened? Actually, we wanted to buy something, but we're not able to get the shit, man. But if you see, do you wanna buy the colors? But these are the very chemical colors. Yeah, I hope no one throws the shit out of us. So we're gonna be good. It's very hot, man. At this point, it's very hot. We actually have to see which platform we have to take the train from. We have to go on this platform, guys. So we'll go there. You can see today is not much crowd. Maybe it's because of the fate. Watch, the train has arrived.
I think the train comes in every 5
Yeah. Oh. I seems like most of the people are not sure. I don't know what she said.
ट्रॉली चाहिए, मुझे भी चाहिए ये, मुझे भी चाहिए, मुझे पूछना है ये क्या है, क्या है ये?
Roshi is gonna get cancelled and I'm gonna get the cancel. We're both gonna get cancelled. Please let us know how are we doing. We have to record. Wait, Churchgate, I think so it's gonna be here, right? We have to take the train here, man. I'm trying to vlog as much as shit possible. Yeah, I think so. Wait, is this the one? The train has come. We're not sure, like which one is that.
It's going, it's not coming.
But why is it written S? I have no clue. It's Andheri. It says
Yes, we found the clues, no?
we have to take this Churchgate one. Let me have the app. I think so. Wow, I like when there is no much crowd. We can come here. Like first class, where is the first class, Rangini?
It's so funny now.
He'll eat something. I don't worry.
I'm saying it's sunny. Sunny.
चर्चगेटला जाणारी 12 मधल्यांची धीमी लोकल प्लॅटफॉर्म क्रमांक 2 वर येत आहे.
Okay, I think so now it's gonna come.
प्लॅटफॉर्म क्रमांक 2 वर
Where's the first class? Ask someone.
between arriving on platform number 2.
It's coming from the chat like smell, ना?
Yeah. Ask na someone, yaar.
First class कितना आएगा next का?
यहाँ पर नहीं है फर्स्ट क्लास.
अबे यहाँ पे वैसे भी भीड़ नहीं होगी. चलो आज वैसे भी छुट्टी है.
अरे oh god. Okay. But if you see, oh wow, the same trolley shit. I wonder what they do with the shit. You wanna have something from there? At least have something now. We can eat something in the train. The fact that I know.
This is the storm. The 90% air you wanna have. Yeah, like
चर्चगेट करिता
Oh
12
my
मधल्यांची
god, I can't eat shit like this, man.
मैं क्या बोलूं यार यहाँ पे.
क्रमांक 2 पर आने वाली लोकल
ये बनाना चिप्स दे दो एक.
लोकल सभी स्थानों पर रुकेगी.
अरे it's so slow, yaar. We need to go fast.
प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 2 is flat coach.
Should we go with this?
प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 2 पर आने वाली लोकल 3:15 की चर्चगेट के लिए 12 डिब्बों की चलत लोकल है. यह लोकल
It's coming.
गांव से जोगेश्वरी,
Have you taken the chai?
बांद्रा से दादर, दादर से मुंबई सेंट्रल के बीच किसी भी स्थानों पर
She keeps on yapping. Blah 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 blah.
I got like a.
Platform number 2 is flat.
Bro, I look so bad.
Churchgate,
Have you looked at my hair?
15 minutes.
Have you looked at my hair?
Between Goregaon to Jogeshwari.
Have you looked at her hair? She looked at us as if it's our fault.
How is the chai?
प्लॅटफॉर्म क्रमांक 2 वर येणारी लोकल 3:15 आणि चर्चगेट करिता
She's gonna get me cancelled one day.
चलत लोकल आहे.
Dude, I literally
ही
said
लोकल
the
गोरेगाव,
side
जोगेश्वरी,
street.
अंधेरी ते बांद्रा, बांद्रा ते दादर, दादर ते मुंबई सेंट्रल या स्थानकांदरम्यान
Size not
कुठल्याही
bad.
स्थानकांवर थांबणार नाही. प्लॅटफॉर्म क्रमांक 2
This is how train comes.
See, I'm not afraid to sit anyhow because I'm wearing safety shots. इसमें पानी का बहुत ज्यादा है.
The fact that it's already 3:15 p.m. and we woke up very late, we decided we're gonna go somewhere at 10
And
a.m.
I slept till 10 a.m.
Yeah, but I'm saying we were about to go somewhere at 10, right? The function was about
You said it's not confirmed.
yeah, we have not go there, but imagine we have been there.
दादर to मुंबई सेंट्रल
That's so stupid. Hold it. Yeah.
चर्चगेटला
It's fine, it's fine.
12 रुपयांची
We can get it in the train, right?
क्रमांक
Look at this, look at
2
this.
आहे.
See now.
चर्चगेट के लिए
Oh, now it looks more fun.
प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 2 पर आ रही है.
Wow.
I'm just wondering for the people who have to go. Are
You
we
put a microphone in your fucking ass, honestly.
I don't know, man. So now we are in a local train right now. If you see, oh my god, my face looks so bad because of this fucking weather, yaar. But you can see we have taken the off. Okay, woo, let's get going. If she wanna have some food, I don't want to prefer eating this stuff, but I'll open to it. Makes sense. But it's so hot right now. Bro, it's so hot in Mumbai. Yeah, it would be like around 35 degrees Celsius. So I'll keep you updated. We'll meet and do some shit, okay? Well, this is what I'm wearing actually. Very comfortable. I knew it the weather's gonna be so shit. So I had to wear something lightweight, like something in lighter color. So I don't feel very hot.
हम बोला एक बाजू में लाके रखा है तुम्हारा भाई का आंटी हमने परमिशन को दिया 15 लाख सोना काट दिया.
The intense conversation is going on, guys. The intense conversation. Okay, so we have reached the what do you call the location? We have come here. We're gonna go to a restaurant. We're gonna meet a very special guy. He's a French streamer, and he has come from France. and he'll be meeting us. Okay, so we are
Happy
excited.
Oli!
Also happy Holi. Yeah, we have not celebrated because we were kind of woke up a bit late. But we'll see. What about it, sir? It's a bit hot yet. We'll see about it. We can see actually. We're kind of like here. But let's go. I'm kind of excited, man. I am kind of excited, man. And the fact that we have not had anything, no food from the time we have come here. Like, oh look at the location, man. It's so beautiful. This is my second time coming here from the I think so one time I came and I made a vlog. You can guys go and check it out. Oh my god, all the shops seems very. Look at that. Look at that beauty, man. Look at the beauty. I wonder if people gonna mistaken me for what the fuck, man. I hope people don't understand what wait, this I can't think.
If we wanted, we could have asked now. Why to? Gaming mama.
It's fine, it's a duty to that shit. I'm kind of very hungry, man. Let's go. फूड टाउन कहाँ पर है? फूड टाउन यहाँ पर नहीं है. फूड टाउन जो रेस्टोरेंट है वो वहाँ पर है. Okay, it's there. Let's go shop from here and then we'll go. Yeah. But people are so confused that we are here all the time. No manners at all. No discipline, piece of shit.
Hello, Felish. Felish, please come here.
Oh my god! Now all the people gonna.
Hi.
I'm recording. See how the man's gonna just look at you like that. Okay, just keep on staring, like not even caring. See, and if you see your mother, sister, well, see how bad it is. I think so we can find something from here, right?
Where? He said mochi. How polite.
All the men look such a bad way. So bad.
Hey, these are the people who also
Can we come
make
here then instead of that place?
Irani chai and bun maska. Remember Irani shops?
Oh yeah, it used to be so nice. Just keep on studying how guys are actually stares at you.
Oh, these are all men.
Hey, this is what he meant. Wait, is it raining or someone just spit, man? Are we gonna find it or are we just gonna keep on?
I don't
Look
know
at the
what's
shops,
happening.
man. Oh my god, I'm kind of tired of walking, no food at all, and I'm just keep on walking from such a long distance. It just makes me doubt of my decisions that do I have to come this far?
This mochi is
Or
over
I
there.
should have just. Hey, why don't you just give me your chappal? Rani, what the fuck, man? You wear this. I don't have any problem.
Oh fuck! This can't get any worse.
Okay, it's fine. It's not even visible. So let's go.
It's not too bad right now, right?
Bro, it's my chappal. How can you? Oh my god, I'm not able to comfortably walk in this.
Chai, please, just in case if you find, let's just go now. Did you give him the address?
Yeah, I have. He'll be coming like probably certain times.
These people who own the salon, they just keep on gossiping outside. No wonder why it's not working so well.
They're too busy in
Yeah.
gossip, not working. And then like, oh my god, this company's not wait, the shop is not working. Oh my god, what do we do? What do we do, sir? What do we
I swear to
do?
God.
Maybe just try to focus on your work. Will be more appropriate.
जब चित्रों पास जाएगा अंदर से तब तो चलेगी तुम्हारी ये.
Yes,
Let
not
me
even
fuck
kidding. I swear to God. It is something to be actually. Yes, fuck, man. It's just that if you see only man crowd is there, I don't understand why. But yeah. Guys, we literally passed by a place. The name was Gay. What was that? What was the place name?
Hey, look at this is too short. Give me.
Gaylord.
Show me. The bottom? Yeah, bottom. Let's go.
The name was Gay. Oh, Foo. I've seen it. It seems very small, Ragini.
This is food.
Foo Town. ये तो बहुत छोटा है.
I will say it's food.
Should we come to Gay Town?
Yeah, just follow me.
I think so. We are very close to the place. Actually, you know, the place that we went, the Gaylord, it was kind of reserved, he said. So we're probably gonna go at this place. I hope we find the place actually. Yeah. I hope we find the place like, you know, to get in because I think it's gonna be. जब तू बाल करती है ना तो देख लिया अगर पीछे कौन है, ठीक है?
कौन है पीछे? कौन है
ऐसा
पीछे?
कुत्ते से बाल मारती ना मुंह पे ऐसा एक कान के नीचे लगा के दूं. Okay, so we have come to the place. Actually, the place name is Foo Town, and this is what it looks like. I mean, it kind of looks good though if you see it. I mean, yeah. Okay, so this is the place, kind of empty here. We're gonna wait for him to come, and then we're gonna start, you know, ordering and all. So, Ragini, wait, I think so. It's dark here.
Yeah.
So it's coming dark, right? So we have our friend. He has come with us. He's doing IRL streamer. So we were here to meet him, guys. So he's a very nice guy, and yeah.
You have vampire people, so kids coming.
Okay, guys. So we are now about to leave, and it was kind of
Yes.
fun chatting and all. I really want to know him more because he is a great man with great ideas and great concept. I swear to God, he literally
Great
changed
ideas.
my.
It's been 1 hour, but yes,
He
great
changed my
ideas.
perspective on so many shit. So I would probably wanna hang out more and try to learn everything. Okay, and you guys please stay there with us. Okay?
Guys, I will teach you everything, and you will see that my book is great.
What did you say, my?
Book.
Great.
Book.
Book is great. Wow.
Okay, let's go.
I didn't settle something. It's not even settled anymore.
It's not done what?
It's not even settled anymore, the chanting. Oh
It
god.
is. They forgot to give me my change.
Oh wait, go ask the
How much
change.
did you give?
1,000.
Oh my god.
Ah, that's nothing. That's nothing.
We actually started to rush, no?
Oh, thanks.
Thank you again.
What did you
Let's
say?
go. I said we were kind of rushing, right?
Yeah,
why
yeah,
it was
yeah,
just coming.
Okay,
You
so-
have great fashion,
Oh
to be
my God.
honest.
You like my style?
It's so good. I swear to God.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm kind of inspired. I might buy the same.
The same clothes?
Yes.
Why not? You can go to any department store in India, and I'm sure you will find it.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Yeah. So what will you? Where will you bring me now? Because you know you're Indian.
Yes.
You cannot ask me to come and say, "Oh, what do you want to do?" Just bring me somewhere.
Okay. Yeah.
show,
I
show
mean,
me,
of course,
show
of
me your
course.
city.
Of course, of course.
Show
of
me
course.
everything. Yeah. I want to see.
Let's see. Because we are also exploring, to be honest. 24 years living in Mumbai. I have not been out of my house. But when a streamer comes, I have
Not
to
so
act
much.
very smart.
Okay.
I know everything. You know what?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take you there. Stuff like that.
Okay, take me there.
Yeah.
Hop, je fais plus de trucs que la mosquée.
Wait, your internet is working?
Sorry?
Your internet is working, right?
Everything is fine. Don't worry about me.
Yeah.
I have
Any-
3 SIM cards.
Okay. If you have any question with any person, like you wanna ask, you know, why do you do that and all, we are here. Okay.
I'm
Translating English to English. It's just that
Don't worry. I will never not ask.
you have to. For your
I will
screen.
ask. I will. No, I said I will never not ask.
Oh yes,
So I will.
that's what.
I will ask.
So you think you'll also marry a girl who's Muslim?
Yeah. What's your take on that, sir?
My take.
Yes.
It's about the heart.
It's
about
about what?
The heart. You know, inside.
Oh.
If the
okay.
person is good, why not? I don't mind.
Yeah. The heart, right? So your family doesn't have a problem, right?
My family is fine.
Okay.
I told you you are a victim of propaganda, unfortunately.
Yeah, you're
But
kind of
the
lying.
real reality is different. For example, you see the image of India online.
Oh, I swear to God, that's
Only
so bad,
street
right?
food,
Yes.
right? But when you
They
come
don't say
here,
this places.
They
Why
never-
they not showing
they never
that?
show this, but
Yes, that's what.
it's the reality as well. So it's the same.
Yeah.
Same.
See, this is what everything has two sides, you know. Depends
Exactly.
what you've been shown.
Yep. Exactly. I
And
agree.
people blinded whatever they see. I swear to God. People are fool nowadays. They see anything on internet and they just follow that shit.
Exactly. They don't think anymore.
Yes, that's what. Try to think. Why it has to be that bad?
Oh,
Right.
yes, I agree. They're my friends. I say it.
Oh.
Nice. You know they're from India,
Yeah, they're from Northeast India.
but they look like Myanmar people.
Because our India is kind of connected with China, the borders and all.
Okay.
So we
See,
have the
yeah.
Mizoram, Nagaland.
Yes, I know you get judged. how they look at you.
Yes.
I noticed.
You know, you won't believe when
Now
I
I
was.
know.
When
It's
I
the
was,
first time I work with women here,
Oh.
and I can see the looks.
They might be jealous of you. That how this guy is going with the two hot girls. I'm not even kidding.
This is what we like about India. If you see South Indian people, they kind of look like people who are not from India, but rather from.
आपको सब record करना चाहिए. Yeah, I'm a dumb person to not record it, but we're having a crazy what do you call that?
Injita?
Encounter. Bro, the air is so bad because of that. My hair is fancy. But you gotta be careful, right? Oh my god. Is it broken? So we're gonna be walking and just to keep talking to the other people like that. I'm not sure. Okay, we are having some kind of fan. Yeah? Oh yeah, you want a selfie? Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So we have come here. This place is actually seems very nice.
No,
No photo. Thank you.
Let's go. Let's go.
No photo. Sorry. It's just getting crazier, man.
Ah, yeah.
People are still not afraid of the shit.
Hmm?
People are still not afraid of the shit, you know.
Of the shoot.
Shit.
Ah, the shit. Ah, yes. They don't care. What is your dream?
My dream
Yep.
to be free, to be having too much money in the bank account,
Okay.
and just take retirement, to sleep a lot.
Chill.
Yeah.
And you, Rosida, what is your dream?
my dream.
Good dream. Good
What
dream.
is your
My dream is a mix between both dreams, you know.
Oh, nice.
A lot of money and happy.
A lot of money into the bank account.
I feel like money just like comes and goes, but happiness.
For me,
I've
happiness
seen
comes
so
and
many
goes.
people who are rich, but they just commit suicide because they're not.
But what's your reality?
You wish for something you don't have. You don't have happiness. I don't have a money. So that's what we're wishing for. What you're wishing for both. It means you don't have both right now.
I've seen people just chase after money and then they just lost their spark.
Yes.
You
I
feel
agree.
this is true?
About money?
Yes.
I know something I can tell you. The more money you have, I mean, the amount of money is not directly correlated with your level of happiness.
Okay.
There is like a limit. For example, if you reach 10k
Yeah.
USD per month, there won't be a big difference if you earn 20 or 30.
Makes sense. Okay.
But there is a huge difference between 1000 and 10k.
yes.
But after it gets, logarithm
Yes.
is the same curve.
Makes sense.
Yes, same curve. So just focus on your health.
Okay.
Still make money, it's important, but don't make it your primary goal.
Like give a bit space for yourself, right?
Exactly,
For your
because
happiness.
it won't make you happy. It will make you happier, but
makes sense.
until a point.
Okay.
And after you will see that life is not only about that. So yeah,
I'm gonna keep this in my mind.
yeah, keep it.
Thank you, sir.
My pleasure. But you need to call me uncle because
Oh my god, oh my god, wait. Not oh fuck. लड़कियों में
आपका टाइप
लड़कियों में
लड़कियों में किधर?
लड़कियों में टाइप क्या है?
लड़कियां
क्या है,
पसंद
टाइप?
करेंगे
Oh, Russian.
Oh fuck.
Russian. Okay.
What the fuck?
No, Indian. No Indian.
Oh wow, Indians are is their standards
Why
now.
not? Why not? Not your style.
Guys, we have come here, the canteens, to have some food because we were feeling very hungry right now. This place seems nice though. We have our friend Hub with us, Hubson with us. So yeah.
No problem, les gars. Namaste. Ah, okay. This is a fancy place.
Okay, that's nice.
I hope there is network inside.
I think so. It's gonna be there.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Wait, the network here is.
We can just leave it with the network instead.
Let me check. Yeah, it's not working.
Let's go, Riley. Let's go.
Somewhere else, there is no network there.
The network is not good.
Or maybe no. Let's demander où ça va être commencé un hiver.
We're going out because there is no network actually inside, so
Regardez juste ça.
we're gonna go out actually.
Ah, c'est clear.
We have it.
Yes.
So we have come to this place, and it looks nice though.
Oh my god, at least I still look fresh as ever.
Oh my
Even though
god!
tired.
Je commence à être fatigué, moi.
So our food has come. We're gonna eat that.
Depuis quand c'est
Kind of
boosté comme
very
ça,
hungry though, so I hope it's better be
Je veux
good.
dire, les gens.
Make me too
Thank you,
much.
Releva. Just this is okay. I am not.
Yeah, keep it. It's fine. It's fine.
Ok.
Yeah, just keep it.
Bon, là, les gars, on va manger de la crevette en Inde. Je ne veux vraiment pas manger de la nourriture de la mer. Oh, new stuff. I only eat butter chicken.
Oh really?
Butter chicken
Okay.
is
Butter
not-
chicken is literally not.
It's not considered as
Look, it's a mutton sizzler. Like the goat, the lamb. Yeah, रख दो.
बीच में रख दो.
I love sizzlers.
Oh, wow. Ça me fait penser à un repas coréen, tu sais,
TikTok.
avec la pierre comme ça, là, on dirait un truc de Corée, genre. C'est du sérieux, là?
Hmm. क्या है?
Story with this one part. Their website.
We got a ice cream, chocolate, sizzler, and that's what we're gonna eat. But it's just too much crowd is
I'm
there.
like, I don't have money, so I just use
It's too much of the crowd is there. It's just too much of the crowd is there, man. I'm not sure what it is. We're having the food. Okay, I'm sure we're gonna be leaving at just after certain times.
Park
We
manager.
had a great time. We're having the
They
dessert.
told me I will become OnlyFans manager.
Oh, we got the
Yes, but at least it's not for you.
Where's the other one? Oh, we got this.
At least it's not for you. C'est une héritière, bien sûr qu'elle est individualiste. Mais c'est la podcast, elle connaît pas la règle. Je comprends ce qu'elle veut dire. Oui, en fait, I understand your point. But I think it's really rational, but a little bit too rational.
In my life, I've seen many people.
We get the other one also for her. ये आप इसको लेके जाओ हाँ? Is this Indian? I'm not sure. Not really.
Après, vous savez, les gars, les très jeunes, elle a 20 ans.
Enough, thank you.
C'est pas pour autant qu'il faut pas écouter.
Huh? Not really. So,
That's nice.
huh?
It's ice cream and sizzling.
It's gonna be hot.
All combined.
It's hot.
It's hot.
It's a hot ice cream. Jamais vu ça de ma vie.
It's so good. It's so good.
Let me try.
Daddy, can you
Can
please
you
first?
please film me?
Oh, it's
Press this button, like arrière. Arrière.
Try to have this. This part is also good.
Oh, I did it.
Now you know.
This part you have. This is very amazing. This part.
So good.
Really?
Try this one, yeah. Try this one. This is so amazing. It's gonna be super hot, okay? Yeah. This is so good. Try to have a mini bite. How is it?
Oh, it's like a candy.
Yeah, but like
Yeah, it's good. It's like a candy somehow.
but it's hot.
It's really hot. Aucun rapport, c'est plein plat.
So guys, we just had finished the food and some of the desserts, and I think it's probably the time that we eat from here, like in certain minutes. But it was very
I have a
fun,
question.
great time and all.
What are you doing? Video?
No, I was just putting the lipstick.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Is there a correlation, a link between rich people and white Indians?
Indians?
Like the people in this restaurant. They're not dark.
But
Not
the-
like,
The
not,
fair.
is
Oh,
there
yeah.
a link? Like for example, oh, white Indians.
what is this? It's a toothpick. The chocolate has come. It's almost finished. And we're gonna be entering the stream right now.
The caste system. Where is it from? Is it